Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the camera volume key to zoom in or out or take picture or record video on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then tap on the camera app. Once the camera has launched, tap on the setting button at the top here, and then go down and tap on shooting methods. Next, tap on press volume keys 2, and in here you can choose take picture or record video, or you could choose zoom in or out. And on the last option, you can also set it to use the control system volume. So in here, select one of the options, and that's it. And if we go back to the camera now, you can see if I press on the volume key down here, it will zoom in, or it can zoom out like so. And you can go back in here and choose shooting methods as take pictures or record video. So if we are now in a photo mode, and if you press on the volume key, that will take a photo instead. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.